Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the language in the Dropbox desktop application. Now let us begin. This right here is the application for desktop Dropbox. In case you don't know how to install it, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply try to change the language. At the top right corner of this application, you will see your profile picture right next to the bell icon. Simply click on it, and from here, as you can see, there are lots of options. But what you guys need to do is simply go to Preferences. Once you're in the Preferences tab, well, right here initially, you will be in the General section. In the General section, if you scroll down, you can see something like Language. And on the right of Language, you will see your drop down. Simply click on it, and from here, just select the language of your choice. I'm gonna select this one right here. Once you select the language, it's gonna prompt you to restart Dropbox. Simply hit on Restart Dropbox, and then the language will be changed for your Dropbox desktop application. That's it guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.